Let's be real. While most people are busy asking AI to write a funny poem or make a cartoon version of their dog, a savvy group of people are doing something completely different. They're not just playing with AI, they're building profitable businesses with it. And the wild part? Many of them aren't Silicon Valley tech geniuses or founders with millions in venture capital. They're entrepreneurs building impressive incomes from their laptops. They've figured out that you don't need to build the next ChatGPT. You just need to apply accessible AI tools to solve specific, expensive problems for other people. Because of this, the opportunity to build something valuable is more accessible than ever. So, if you're tired of just hearing about the AI revolution and you're ready to actually get in the game, stick with me. I'm about to break down 5 high-potential AI business models that you can start today, with minimal coding skills and low startup costs. Alright, let's jump into the first one, the AI-powered content agency. Every single business, from your local dentist to a global software company, is fighting for attention online. The weapon in that fight is content, blogs, social media posts, newsletters, you name it. The problem is, creating great content consistently takes a ton of time and money. That's where you come in. The big idea here is to offer specialized content packages. You're not just another freelancer, you're a content solution. Using a handful of smart AI tools, you can produce high-quality content for clients in a fraction of the time it would take a traditional agency, allowing you to charge premium prices for a high-value service. Here's your playbook to get this started. First, pick a specific, high-value niche. Don't be a generic content writer. Be the AI-powered newsletter writer for e-commerce brands, or the SEO blog post specialist for financial advisors. Niching down makes it way easier to find clients and charge what you're worth. Second, get to know your AI toolkit. Your go-to will be an AI writer like ChatGPT for the initial drafts. But the real advantage comes when you pair it with AI optimization tools. Software like Surfer SEO or Neuron Writer can analyze top-ranking content and give you a blueprint for what to include, how to structure your article, and how long it should be. These tools don't guarantee a number one spot, but they take a lot of the guesswork out of creating content that ranks. Third, package your services. Offer a few simple, recurring packages. For example, the Startup Package, 4 1,500-word SEO-informed blog posts per month. This creates predictable monthly revenue and makes your service easy to sell. The startup cost is basically just your tool subscriptions. Your profitability comes down to how many clients you can effectively manage. Since AI can handle a huge chunk of the repetitive drafting and research, you can scale to serve multiple clients without immediately needing a big team. Business number 2 is becoming a no-code AI chatbot developer for local and online businesses. Now, before you tune out because that sounds technical, hear me out. The whole point of this model is to use powerful, user-friendly platforms that require little to no coding. Think about it. How many websites have you visited with a little chat window that pops up? They're becoming essential for customer service. They answer common questions, qualify potential customers, and even book appointments 24/7. Small businesses need this to keep up, but many assume it's too expensive or complicated. Your job is to be the bridge. You become an expert in customizing AI chatbots on these no-code platforms and implementing them for clients. This service can offer a great return for your clients by potentially freeing up their staff and improving their website's lead capture. Here's the playbook. Step 1. Pick your platform. There are a ton of great no-code chatbot builders out there. Do some research, find one or two you like, and really master them. This becomes your core skill. Step 2. Find your target market. E-commerce stores are a great option because they get constant questions about orders and shipping. Local service businesses like law firms or HVAC companies are another goldmine, as they can use chatbots for lead intake and scheduling. Step 3. Create a compelling offer. You're not selling a chatbot. You're selling a result. Your pitch is about the potential outcome. My goal is to help you reduce repetitive customer emails and capture more qualified leads from your website. You handle the entire setup, from designing the conversation to plugging it into their site. This business has very low startup costs. Once you've set up a few chatbots, you'll have a repeatable process. You can charge a one-time setup fee plus a smaller monthly retainer for maintenance, creating a nice, stable income stream. The third idea is what I call the AI e-commerce launchpad. The number of people launching stores on Shopify and Etsy is exploding. But there's a huge gap between a store that looks like a hobby and one that looks like a professional brand. Most new sellers don't have the design chops or the budget for a big agency. That's your opportunity. You can offer an all-in-one setup service that uses AI to help create a professional, optimized e-commerce store in days, not weeks. Here's how it works. You lean on AI for two key things. First, AI image generators like Midjourney can create unique product mockups, lifestyle photos, and branding elements without needing a costly photo shoot. Second, you use AI writers to draft compelling and SEO-friendly product descriptions, collection pages, and brand stories. The playbook is simple. First, define your package. Offer something like a Shopify Quick Start package that includes setting up the core pages, writing descriptions for the first 10 products, and a basic branding kit with a logo and color palette, all with AI assisting the process. Second, build a portfolio. Create 2 or 3 awesome demo stores in different niches. This is your proof. It shows potential clients exactly what you can deliver. Third, market your service where sellers hang out. Be active in Shopify forums, Etsy seller groups on Facebook, and relevant subreddits. Share your portfolio and offer your Launchpad service at a price that's a no-brainer compared to a traditional agency. The profit margins can be fantastic. While it's not pure profit, you'll have costs like tool subscriptions and maybe some platform fees. You're avoiding the major expenses of photo shoots or hiring a team of copywriters, which makes the business incredibly efficient. By the way, if you're getting value from these ideas, do me a quick favor and hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel and tells YouTube you want more videos that break down real business strategies. Alright, let's get to number 4. Business idea number 4 is for anyone who wants to solve a huge headache for growing companies. Hiring. Finding the right talent is slow and painful. Hiring managers often get buried in applications. This is where you can come in as an AI recruitment automator. You'd offer a service that helps small and medium-sized businesses streamline their hiring. AI is great at things like parsing resumes to find keyword matches, helping filter for qualified candidates, and even automating initial outreach. This can save companies countless hours. Here's the playbook. Step 1 is to understand the pain. Talk to business owners. You'll hear things like, "I get too many irrelevant applications," or "I don't have time to sort through 200 resumes." Your service is the solution. Step 2 is to use existing AI recruitment platforms. You don't build the tech yourself. There are AI tools you can use on a per-client basis. Your job is to be the expert integrator who sets up the system, helps clients write better job descriptions for the AI to analyze, and customizes the filtering. It's also important to be mindful of and work to mitigate potential algorithmic bias in these tools. Step 3 is to frame your offer around efficiency. Your pitch isn't just about tech, it's about giving them back their time. For example, "Let me help you surface the top applicants, so you can spend your time interviewing the best fit candidates instead of sifting through a mountain of resumes." You're selling speed and focus. By specializing in the implementation and consulting side, you can build a really valuable B2B service without writing a line of code. Our 5th and final business is the AI-powered personalized marketing consultant. For years, marketing was about shouting the same message to everyone. That era is dead. Today, it's all about personalization. Customers expect brands to understand them. AI is what makes that possible on a large scale. As a consultant, you help businesses use AI to analyze their customer data, spot trends, and create targeted marketing campaigns. This helps them move from generic marketing to a data-driven approach that can seriously improve their results. The playbook here is all about strategy. First, specialize. Become the AI-powered email marketing expert for course creators, or the AI-driven ad campaign optimizer for local businesses. Focus builds authority fast. Second, master the tools. This includes AI platforms for customer segmentation, predictive analytics tools that can forecast which customers might be about to leave, and AI-powered ad managers that can adjust campaigns automatically. Third, remember your value is in interpretation. Your service isn't just setting up a tool, it's providing strategy. You could offer a monthly retainer where you analyze their data and then implement AI-driven campaigns. For example, using AI, we identified a group of customers likely to buy in the next month. Here's the targeted campaign I suggest we run just for them. A crucial part of this role is also understanding data privacy and helping your clients use these tools ethically and in compliance with regulations like GDPR. This is a powerful business model because you're not just a tool pusher, you're an ongoing strategic partner. So there you have it, 5 high-potential AI businesses. the AI content agency, the no-code chatbot developer, the AI e-commerce Launchpad, the AI recruitment automator, and the personalized marketing consultant. The common thread is simple: they all use AI as a lever. They take a problem businesses already have and apply a smart AI solution to solve it better, faster, or more efficiently. You don't need a PhD in machine learning. You just need to be the one who connects the problem to the right tool. And the timing couldn't be better. The AI market is growing at an incredible pace, with some firms like Grandview Research projecting it could become a $1.8 trillion industry by 2030. Getting in now means you're building skills in what's becoming a foundational part of the economy. The biggest mistake is seeing all this potential and then doing nothing. The tools are more accessible than they've ever been. You have the roadmap. The only thing separating you from the people finding success with these models is the decision to get started. Let me know in the comments which of these 5 ideas you found most interesting. I read all of them. And if you haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Now go build something.
She's got a little crazy in her.
So, use ChatGPT to write your blog posts, to generate your YouTube video script, to write your